Today we unboxing.
This is from Staples, 2-shelf bookcase, gray oak color. Here's the dimensions. It is 29 3/4 inch high, and it's 27 15/16. That's weird. Across, wide. And the depth is 11 5/8. 2 shelves, 1 adjustable, room for store and display books, bins, collectibles, and more. Gray oak finish, ready to assemble. That's it. Has no name. We don't know who makes it. Just Staples sells it. It's cheap. It's made of particle board. It's not solid wood, unfortunately. But we just wanted something cheap, something temporary to put some of RJ's books in one spot.
Well, like thousands of billion books.
Okay, you ready to open?
It's super fun. Pro
Ready
status.
to open?
Pro status.
Yep, your first status, RJ.
I'm a spot. Pro
Let's lay
status.
it down.
Careful, RJ. Sharp daddy not.
Oh, great. Good. Okay. Oh, we got it. There it is.
Go.
Look. Look at the
Looks
stain
like
over there.
great.
We call it gray oak.
Great.
Look.
There's a side piece. There's a shelf. There's another shelf. Another one.
How many pieces, RJ? Oh,
One,
RJ, please.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There is
And there's the back.
all the pieces.
Folded. Oh my God. You put nails to it.
I'm gonna build something. On materials.
No hardware. Oh, there it is. I didn't see it. And there's the instructions.
Instruction.
Starts with number 4. Okay, here's the instructions. And then count what you got.
How much nails is it supposed to be?
24. And this is A.
Yeah.
Okay, move those cups back
More RJ.
over there. When I ask you for what I need, you'll give them to me. Because we need this room right here. Over here. And then these two there. Do the same thing with this one. Turn it around. Okay, give me those long things. One of those. Yep, $1. Thank you.
What, RJ?
Just like that.
The other one, RJ.
Put one here.
It's for rain.
Is that the last two?
Swing, swing.
So now it looks like we do need a little screwdriver after all.
Have it to the door over there. Remember?
Yeah.
Better with this one. Yep, D and D. They have D on it? No. No, I need 4. Sorry. Here, give me the small one. Piece of wood.
9 yards.
That's F. You see F on it? No F. This is the only one. So basically, put these in here. Did you give me the other one? I must have dropped it.
The 4 RG.
This.
This is a wood. 4 RG then.
Did I drop it?
I guess you did.
Oh, there you go. Now let's see what it says. There's no words. It's all just do it with pictures. D. Okay, give me these things right here. I need 4 of them to start with. That's where it goes in. 7/16. Seven sixteenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Looks perfect. One.
Yun.
It's all together except for the back. And then of course the middle shelf.
Yep, there.
This unfinished side. And this back, it's nailed on.
Hindi that look like cardboard.
Yeah, it was page 2, all went together. I had it backwards for a moment, and then I realized what was going on, so. Okay, so number 3 now.
Yeah.
And then the last part is just put this shelf where you want it to go. Okay, so. Okay, go grab this end. I'm gonna lower it.
Careful,
Lower
RJ.
it to the floor, very
You
slowly.
hit your head.
Slowly. Like that.
And I'm gonna be inside.
It's a fort. It's too bad, you know, it's a nice looking shelf. It's too bad they didn't use some solid wood, like maybe on the top.
Yeah.
Super strong wood.
It's not. It's part of the
Strong
wood.
wood is not a wood.
But then, you know, that's what you get. You get what you pay for. This was cheap,
$39.
which is expensive, top dollar.
There is.
Dominoes.
Put nails side. All the side put nails there.
No.
Put it, measure daddy
There's
so that
screws.
is level. There is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now,
Level daddy.
only 2.5.
Okay, lift up.
You lift up. There is.
You take the B off of here. So where do you want it? Right there.
There.
There. That's the one Mommy wanted. See how they go in?
Those are 2 extra.
He's not 2 extra, you need 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And put it in the 4th one. So the bottom shelf's going to be bigger than the top shelf. That's it. Ready?
Very good. Ta-da!
But it's
There
look
it
at that, how
is.
weak that is. Otherwise, once you snap it, it goes in the garbage.
It's nice, look.
To pick it up, it's...
Here is the button.
Yeah, we're all done. There's the finished product. One shelf is adjustable in the middle, whatever height you want. And it looks nice. Just word of caution, it's not very sturdy. A child like this climbing on it will crack it.
Yep.
So put it in a corner somewhere, fill it with books for the kid, and hopefully he doesn't sit on top of it. Other than that, looks pretty nice.
You like it yourself?
Yeah.
Your first bookshelf,
Yep.
Hot Wheel cars on top of
you can put, but don't.
Yeah.
Remember what I said? Don't lean on it.
Yeah, don't lean and sit down there. Okay, it's done.